Okay guys, welcome back to JJB Tech, and this is my setup of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. So basically I'm going to go ahead and put the battery and the SD card into the camera. So after reading the instructions, I'm going to try and do this on the fly, guys. So just bear with me here. So this is the card and battery slot. So that pops open. And here is the battery. Just bear with me here. Take the cap off of the battery. And from the instructions, it says that you want to have the battery facing the front of the camera when you install it. So here's my attempt here. Keep in mind, I'm doing this on the fly, guys. So first time installing a battery or anything like that. Let's see here. I think you want to move this gray piece. Yep, you want to slide that gray piece forward. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but that little gray piece right there, you have to kind of move it forward in order to get the battery installed. Guess I should have taken the memory card out first. All right, so I did pick this memory card up when I got the camera as well. So we're gonna take the memory card here and we're gonna point it the same direction. And this is like a push mechanism, I think. Hold on, guys. Might be doing this wrong. Let's see here. I think I'm doing it right. Yeah, you push this in and it like clicks. You press it down and it clicks. Pops up that way, press it down, it clicks. Then you want to close this slot, slide it so it locks in place. So that was the installation of the battery and the memory card. Okay, the next part, after reading a little bit of the manual, is trying to set this up. Now, the dilemma I'm stuck with is, do I need the lens on the camera to set the date and time, those things? I don't believe I do, but we're going to see here. So what the instructions said was to make sure the power is on and open the screen. And you're greeted with this setting here. So you want to set the date and time. So it says that you can move the buttons to change the date and time. So it's like, oops, that didn't work. All right, so let's see here. Maybe it's this one. Nope, that's the direction. So let's see if I hit this. Yes, you hit the set button. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you hit the set button here. And when you set it, it selects which option you want to change. Then you arrow. So we're going to change it to today is 6, and then you want to arrow, set that, and then move over, and you hit set again, and you want to change that. What is today's date, guys? Guess I should have known this. Give me 1 second here. It's the 21st of June, okay? So now that I've selected the day, I want to move it up until I get to the 21st. Okay? And once I hit the 21st, I want to select OK. And then go to the year. So it's 2021. Oh, don't forget to select the year. Select it and then change it. Okay? Now, set that. Now, think you want to change this. You want it to be month, month, day, day, year, year. I do. Next one, no, I want to change that back. Next, I want to change the time zone. So I want to select that. And go here. And I want to go to find, let's see here. Go back up. Sorry guys, like I said, I'm doing this on the fly, so just bear with me. New York time zone, since I'm in that region. Okay. Time difference. Okay, let's hit that. And then let's hit this. Okay, guys, I think I have it set up here. Want to hide that. But basically, let's go to the menu and go over here. Time, date. Oh, I need to set the time. Okay, what time is it, guys? Bear with me. Yeah, trying to do this on the fly. It says 9:12. By the time I finish, I think it'll be 9:13. So 9. And I'm just gonna say okay on that. And oh, oops. Sorry guys. Oh, sorry. So don't forget to select, and like I said, by the time I get to it, it should be the 13. So let me look at my watch one more time here, guys. It's still 12 and it's about to be 13. So I'm gonna just go ahead and select that and then change this to 0, 00. Hopefully it won't change it. Okay, select that and then hit OK. So now we got the time set, guys. So that was pretty much a quick setup on the time and installing the battery. Not sure if you can see the screen here, but it was a quick setup. Everything, you hit the menu button, you move over to the function, and then you hit the menu button to go back. So I just wanted to set those things up. Okay, and gonna pause the video. Actually, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna break this up for the remaining part because I want to install the lens. So let me put you on pause for a minute and then I'll come back to you. Okay guys, I'm back here. Like I said, I'm kind of breaking this up a little bit. So now I'm going to attempt to install this camera lens. Now keep in mind, like I said, this is the very first time I'm doing this, but hopefully I can get it right here. So what I understand is you take the camera cap off. And when you take the camera cap off, you grab the lens, right? And you have to unscrew the lens cap. So this is the lens cap. And what, from my understanding, is you want to take this little dot here, this little dot. I don't know if you can see this guy, but guys, but that little dot, you want to line it up with the body. You want to line it up with the body and twist. And then until it clicks in place. And once it clicks in place, you've installed the lens. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys caught that, but there's a dot here that you line up on the body, this dot, and once you line it up, you twist it until you hear a click. Okay, and I believe once we take this cap off, right, and you took the cap off, remember there's a pinch to the cap. If you want to power it on, actually, did I power it off? I probably didn't power it off, guys, but it looks like it's still powered on. So I will say that this little button here is when you want to release the lens, you have to mash this button and twist it to release it. So that's just so you know. But to extend out the lens itself, you can do this, and that releases the lens. So this little button here, you have to slide up and release the lens. Now, when I open the screen, I should be able to see something. So I can actually look into the viewfinder, and right now I am seeing something. Okay, but that's pretty much it, guys. That's just how to install the actual lens. I'm gonna power this off. I know that wasn't clean, but hey, keep in mind I'm a first time user of this type of camera, or actually a camera altogether. But I think I did pretty good. And just so you guys know, like I said, if you want to release the camera and then put the lens cap back on, the lens cap and the and you also want to put the camera cap back on. That way you won't damage the lens. So, yep, guys, I know that wasn't the cleanest, but I'm new to this. So I hope you I hope that helped a little bit with you newbies with this type of camera anyhow. A Canon, like I said, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. So here we actually install the battery, we install the micro SD card, and we also install the lens and basically set up the time and date and the zone. So I hope this helps you new guys out there trying to get your camera set up. I know that was on the fly. I did read a little bit of the manual before I did this, and I think I did pretty good, man. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification if this is your first time viewing my channel and my videos. Please leave a comment and have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Thanks, guys.